Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video we show you Petrol Auris Speedometer before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. This cluster has quite simple menu with only a few words. However, it's inconvenient for some people to see unfamiliar language on their dash. We translated just 8 phrases: power on, settings, units, back, average consumption, instant consumption, cruising distance, average speed after start, and driving time after start. For other instrument clusters from Toyota Auris Petrol and Hybrid with much more sophisticated cluster, please refer to our other videos on our channel. Thank you for watching.